Okay, hey, I'm Vanessa Franco, and today I'm going to be teaching a music art lesson plan. This is my student. Hi. And so some of the standards that I used for this lesson are right here. They're listed below on the worksheet or on the lesson plan. And then my objectives are students will be able to evaluate, apply, and describe music from songs, videos, and performances. Students will be able to show that they know the vowels in the English alphabet, and then students will be able to both to know and find both long, short vowels within the songs. So to scroll down, I'm gonna talk about my learning activity that I'm gonna do with them. So I have three songs listed below. I have one that's Frozen. I'm just gonna click on it. If that works, and it's probably gonna be an ad. Yep. So this one is from Frozen, and it has the lyrics with it when she starts singing. So that way students can see. And then my second one is from Beauty and the Beast, and this one doesn't have lyrics. So students are going to have to really listen to make sure they catch those vowels throughout the song. And then my last one is from Lilo and Stitch. And this one doesn't have lyrics either, so they're going to have to really listen. But this is a more upbeat song, so I thought it would be fun to use. So for this learning activity, they're going to work with a partner, and they're going to watch. So first they're going to watch these three clips, and then they're going to work with a partner. And then that group of students, they'll have to pick one song from the songs that I showed. And they're going to have to write down the long and short vowels that they've found while listening to the music video or the music. So for some differentiation, I'm going to have the struggling and English language learners be given extra time to accomplish individual portion of the learning activity so that they're given the same opportunities. And then for my group activity that I'm going to do, I'm going to show another video on, it's a vowel song. It's kind of fun. Of course, there's an ad. And this song kind of goes through each vowel. So each group will be given a vowel, and they are going to have to memorize or learn the part that is associated with their vowel that they are assigned. So, for example, for E, it says I am short E, and then it talks about I, and we'll just watch this for a second. You can't hear it, but we'll just watch it. And then they talk about the sound that it makes and a word that goes along with it. And then it'll go to the next one. So I'll show this video a couple times to the students so that they can understand, and then I'll also give them a typed up worksheet, or not worksheet, like document for each group to go along so they know the lyrics so they can learn them. And then for my closure, before I share my closure, I wanted to talk about if students are having struggles with like remembering what a vowel is, you can start the lesson off maybe like reminding them or having them think about what they've learned so far about vowels, and share it with the person that's sitting next to them. And then for my closure, I'm going to do an exit ticket, and for their exit ticket that day, it'll be I'll have them write a paragraph about something that they learned that day about vowels and their sounds. So it can be from either the learning activity or it can be from the group activity. Either one will be okay. I just want to make sure that they're learning. And then for the assessment, I'm going to use the vowel activities and videos to make sure that students know and understand what is being